Welcome to today's video, in which we will address an interesting and controversial topic. Can a Tesla Model 3 be parked? This amazing electric car will be under the microscope in this video. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the most popular electric cars in the world. It features excellent performance, advanced technologies, and long electric range. But can anything stop it? Tesla Model 3 is a distinguished car with exceptional performance and advanced safety systems. In general, they are difficult to park directly in the same way as a conventional car. This is thanks to the advanced braking system and accident protection system. However, this does not necessarily mean that it is unstoppable. In this section, we discuss the safety features of the Tesla Model 3, including the braking system, accident protection system, and self-driving system. Do these features make it unstoppable? Tesla Model 3 features advanced safety features, including an anti-collision braking system, an accident protection system, and an autopilot system that helps avoid traffic accidents. These features help increase safety and reduce the risk of accidents. We discuss the challenges of trying to stop a Tesla Model 3, including the car's design, safety technologies, and also the impact of external factors. Among the challenges facing trying to stop a Tesla Model 3, we can mention the car's design, which makes it low and provides it with low aerodynamic resistance. Also, vehicle technology makes it possible to avoid collisions and reduce the chances of accidents. Tesla Model 3 is a distinguished car with exceptional performance and advanced safety systems. In general, they are difficult to park directly in the same way as a conventional car. This is thanks to the advanced braking system and accident protection systems. However, this does not necessarily mean that it is unstoppable. In conclusion, we summarize what we have learned about the stoppability of the Tesla Model 3. Is this car really stoppable, or does it remain unsteady? The Tesla Model 3 is considered a car with advanced safety and amazing performance, which makes it difficult to stop directly. However, the possibility of stopping it cannot be completely ruled out, and potential challenges and environmental factors remain possible influence factors. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the deeper understanding of this topic in this video. If you have comments or questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Tesla and technology content.